You want to draw, you want to paint, you have your paper and pencil to draw on. But no, some wants to draw on their digital tablets. Today we'll be talking about digital art for beginners. Under it, we'll be talking about the hardware, the software, and the drawing process you'll be needing. My name is Adetoro Debaz. I'm a visual artist. I paint traditionally and digitally, but today we'll be talking about digital art. How you can start as a digital artist, what you need to invest in as a digital artist. In a short, what is digital art and traditional art, and what is the difference? Digital art involves creating artwork using digital technology such as computers, graphics tablets, and software like Adobe Photoshop or Procreate. Traditional art, on the other hand, encompasses art forms created with physical materials like paint, pencil, canvas, board, charcoal, or clay. The main difference lies in the tools and medium used. Digital art is created digitally, while traditional art is created using tangible materials. Each has its own uniqueness and advantages. Both allow artists to express themselves endlessly. Now, without further ado, what you'll be needing is your computer. A reliable computer is essential for digital art creation. You should have a sufficient process power and RAM to handle graphic design software smoothly. You can choose between desktop or laptop based on your preference and mobility needs. The next thing is a graphics tablet. Graphics tablet is a crucial tool for digital artists. There are two main types to consider. A drawing tablet. This tablet comes with a stylus pen and a pressure sensitivity surface. Allow you to draw directly on the tablet. The most popular brands include Wacom, SP Pen, Uyon, and some other products like that. Drawing tablets are available in various sizes, ranging from compact models to larger, more advanced option, and there is this option for digital artists, which is the iPad. Particularly the iPad Pro models have become increasingly popular among digital artists due to their portability and advanced features like the Apple Pencil. With the drawing apps like Procreate, you can create high quality digital artwork directly on the iPad. Stylus pen. If you are using the drawing tab or an iPad, a stylus pen is essential for Procreate drawings and painting. Make sure to choose a pen that is compatible with your device and offer pressure sensitivity for more natural strokes. Investing in the right hardware such as reliable computers, a graphics tablet, and a stylus pen will provide you with the foundation you need to start your journey as a digital artist. But I would love to share with you how I started as a digital artist. It's another purpose of creating this channel. Now, when I started as a digital artist, I started with a mouse. Oh my god, sorry, my mannequin. I started with a mouse, as in a mouse like this. This is a mouse. I started with a mouse, and I will show you the kind of artwork I did with a mouse. After several years, I was able to get my first drawing tablet, which was SP Pen, and which was this. I was able to get this, my first drawing tablet. No screen. You will just connect this to the computer. Then it's, to use this, you have to own a computer to use this. So you connect this with your computer. Whatever you draw here displays on your computer. So it's a good start buying this to start with as a digital artist. But for the professionals, you can go for the larger ones. I can show you the series of beautiful works I did with this tab. Few years down the line, I was able to get another tablet, which is the screen display tablet. This one, you still have to connect it to a computer. It only has a display, unlike the one that doesn't have a display. Now you connect this to a computer, then whatever you draw here, you You feel it, you see it immediately. You understand, whatever you draw on the screen, you can see it, you can feel the pressure, you can sense it, everything you draw there, and you can show it on your system, on your computer as well. So that is the difference from graphics tab and graphics display tab. You can use an iPad for your digital art tools. Many digital artists involve themselves using iPad, but me as a digital artist, I enjoy using my graphics tab, especially Photoshop, on my PC. I love it so much compared to Procreate on iPad. That is my little experience about my journey as a digital artist. Now, to start with, as a digital artist, consider getting a computer and a digital tablet. And many homes has a computer already. You can just get a graphics tablet for yourself while you draw, while you make your art, amazing art on your journey. And if you think you are able, you can afford a digital, an iPad rather, you can go for an iPad too. It's very impressive, very sweet to work on iPad too. It's quite interesting as a digital artist. We've only talked about the hardwares you'll be needing as a digital artist. In the next episode, we will be talking about the software you'll be needing to start with as a digital artist. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my page. Turn on the notification button as well. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode, where I will be talking about the software to start with as a digital artist, free software and the paid software. Thank you very much. See you again. Bye.